In this video, I'm going to show you the 7 best ways to promote your affiliate links for free. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel or ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I want to let you know my 7 favorite places to promote affiliate links for free. Now, each one of these methods has earned me leads and sales. I know that these work, and I want to share these with you today. So the first one we have is YouTube. I like YouTube. I think you guys like YouTube as well. If you didn't like YouTube, you probably wouldn't be here. But as you can see, in my last video, I talked about Bluehost Review. These simple review videos can generate thousands of views and hundreds of potential leads of people that are interested, and there's just a number of ways to do it. As you can see, actually, this is my video right here where I talk about different opportunities. You can see I actually have this video as well where I talked about Bluehost dedicated hosting review, and then I put my affiliate link there as well. 357 views from just 43 subscribers. This video is a year old, as you can see. But creating this type of content, you can get in front of targeted audience for free. And you can do this with your smartphone and a basic speaker. You don't have to show your face if you want to. You could do a slideshow presentation. You could use Google Slides, or you could even use something like Canva to do this for free without showing your face. So that's #1. #2 is actually with your website. As you can see, this is alstongodbolt.com. Now, the website itself isn't free. It costs like $3 per month to have something like this up and running. But once you have your website, you can create content for free. All of this content can be done for free. You just simply write blogs where you're getting in front of a targeted audience and you're creating content to help solve their problem. And again, you can do this with any niche. That's the cool thing with starting a blog, is really there's no limits. You just go out, create content that people want and people need, and you can potentially make money that way. So that is #2. #3 is actually with TikTok. TikTok is an incredible opportunity still because, as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, the TikTok algorithm is still pretty loose. Now, when it comes to YouTube and the other platforms out there, they pretty much know what their target audience likes and what they need. And so they continuously feed them what they like and what they need. With TikTok, they don't have a firm grasp of what their target audience or what their customer base likes and needs. And so from time to time, you'll actually get content that has nothing to do with what they're interested in. And you could potentially flip somebody that wasn't interested in woodworking or making money online or starting an online business and turn them into a customer simply by just creating content. Again, the virality of TikTok is still there, and that's how you wind up in front of people that had no interest or no knowledge of affiliate marketing or starting an online business in the very beginning. So I still really like TikTok. The algorithm is changing and shifting almost monthly now at this point, whereas with YouTube, the algorithm is the algorithm. It's usually just being refined. But we see with TikTok, there are giant shifts and swings, and a part of it, like one of my YouTube viewers said, part of the fun is trying to figure out exactly how to get back in front in the good graces of the algorithm. So that is #3. #4 is actually with Facebook groups. Now, Facebook groups are incredibly powerful. I like to say that Facebook groups are basically like running Facebook paid ads without spending money. The reason why I really like Facebook groups is simply because Facebook knows everything about their audience, their client base. They have billions of data points on each person, yes, me and you, and they use that to serve information in groups that they might be interested in. And so once you get up and running, once you start creating content in your Facebook group, and you can have as many groups as you want, Facebook eventually will recommend people that are going to be good for your group. So that's what's really cool and really powerful about Facebook groups. As you go out, pick a niche. It could be in basket weaving, and you go out and create content with regard to basket weaving, and then you're going to have people popping in out of nowhere that are also interested in basket weaving. And it's powerful because you are going to be in front of a heavily targeted group of people. You market it the right way, whether that's pinning an affiliate link to the top of your page, or maybe making a post every once in a while recommending a different tip, product or service. So I really like Facebook groups. And again, you can have as many groups as you want, and you can keep doing this over and over again. I don't think there's a limit to individual Facebook groups, but you can see there's tons of opportunity. If we just look at this, for example, this top here for woodworking projects and wood plans has 414,000 members. The one below it, 182,000 members. One below it, 134,000 members. And you could promote or recommend Ted's Woodworking over on ClickBank. Now, what I recommend that you do is model your Facebook group after these top ones. I would join these groups, take a look and see what they're doing. Model them so that you can start growing this type of group as well. Now, it will take a little bit of time, maybe a month or two, before you get your first person, as long as you are uploading consistently. I recommend that you upload maybe 3 times per day to get the ball rolling. And then once you get people in, they'll do a lot of that work for you. After Facebook groups, we actually have Pinterest. I still really like Pinterest. I think Pinterest is really powerful. Now, what I recommend with Pinterest is 2 things. They have these brand new features that they upload and roll out. Always jump on the brand new features. They're pushing those brand new features. They really want people to adopt to them because they have done the research and learned that the new features are what's going to keep people on the platform. Now, remember, with social media, the whole goal with social media is to keep people on the platform. And so that's why social media platforms keep rolling out new features, because it's important to them. Now, what I recommend that you do is start off with video pins and do video pin ideas. That's going to help push your content out further. But you can see here, I just typed in woodworking, and all of these people are selling something or promoting something, whether it's their blog, whether it's a product that they're selling. You could be an affiliate once again for Ted's Woodworking and post helpful videos. Now, you can do this for free over on Canva. You can go source pictures from around the internet. You can use a website like Pexels and post pictures here if you wanted to, but you can see there is tons of options and tons of opportunity. After Pinterest, we have forum sites. Now, forum sites are still incredibly popular and could be a good opportunity to start making passive income in 2022 going forward. People think that forums are dead, but in reality, they were replaced primarily or largely with Facebook groups. But you can see here, people are still replying. Today, I believe, is the 4th, and you can see people are engaged in these different conversations. Most popular, you can go in. What I recommend that you do with these forums is go in and be a part of the conversation. You don't want to go in and dominate and say bye, 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 bye. You want to try and help solve problems. But look at this, looking for older nail gun nose cushions. You could help answer that question. Maybe provide an affiliate link from Amazon if you can find one. Is one drawbar pin enough? You go in and answer that question. If you don't know the answer to the question, go out and do a little bit of a Google search and then provide value. Now, what I want to show you is I took a look at Ahrefs. The domain name associated with this forum site, it's over 213,000 monthly searches. So if you're wondering, if you're thinking that forums are dead, in reality, they're not. And as you can see here at the very bottom, this website, findwoodworking.com, is selling their magazine subscriptions. You can see that's an opportunity to make money. But what I would do is I would join these different forums for your niche, and in the signature at the very bottom, you can usually add 1 or 2 links. Add a link to a free ebook or maybe a free training, and that'll get people on your email list, and then you can follow up with them. So that's a pro tip for you as well. After forum sites, we have Quora. Now, Quora will always have a special place in my heart. It's actually how I made my first $125 online. I've told that story a bunch of times, so I won't tell it again, but you can see here, Quora is a question and answer site where people from all over the world are asking basic questions. You, as the marketer, you're going to answer these questions. So what I did at the search bar here, I typed in how to start a blog. And if we go down to questions here, you can see people are asking these questions. What are the basic steps to start a blog? Well, if you know anything about the basic steps to start a blog, this is the question for you. You're going to need a domain name and web hosting. You refer them over to Bluehost. Now, you cannot direct link to Bluehost. You have to send them to a landing page, a bridge page of some sort. You tell them that they need to install WordPress, get a premium WordPress theme. Again, you could link them over to ThemeForce, which has an affiliate program, and then you can tell them to start writing or hire writers. But you can see here, these are questions that people are asking. Now, what I would do is I would change this to maybe the last week, because we just came out of the holiday season, and you can see people are asking these questions, and this is a great opportunity to make money. How to start a blog has a bunch of opportunity. You just answer the questions. Now, remember, with Quora, you cannot direct link out to the affiliate program. That is a great way to get yourself banned. That's how I almost got banned. Maybe I will tell that story in a future video. But just to recap, my favorite ways are with YouTube, starting your own blog, TikTok, Facebook groups, Pinterest, forum sites, and Quora. Now that you know the 7 different ways that promote your affiliate links for free, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.